Choose the pizza you want to make. Margarita. Play without the ads. Get the right ingredients in the basket. Salt? Wrong? Try again. Good for you. Flour? Good for you. Olive oil. That's right. Tomato. Halfway there. Cheese? That's right. Tomato paste. Good for you. Basil? Yay! All the ingredients are assembled. Prepare the ingredients. This needs to be sliced. Tear off all the leaves. The cheese needs to be grated. Let's make the sauce. Unscrew the lid. This needs shaking. Stir the sauce. Yay! The sauce is ready. Time to make the dough. This needs shaking. This needs shaking. You have to mix the dough. The dough is ready, all that's left is to roll it out. Place all the ingredients on the pizza. It's done. All you have to do is bake the pizza. Click on the screen to make the pizza cook faster. Click on the screen to make the pizza cook faster. Yay! The pizza's ready. Congratulations!